Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today we're going to be taking a look at another subscription box. This one comes to us from Barrel and Blade. Or as we on my channel like to call it, Barrel or Blade. My channel members, we take votes on is it going to be Barrel and Blade, Barrel or Blade, or just Barrel and or just Blade. But before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. And ring that notification bell, even though it doesn't do anything. Do it anyway. You know, hey, makes me feel better. And with that, are you guys ready to see what is in this Barrel or Blade? I'm hopeful. I am very, very hopeful. This is a big box. There better be Barrel and Blade in this box. That's all I'm saying. You guys ready? Let's do it. All right, so we are back with Barrel and Blade. We got a lot of bets going on right now, bro, about what's in this box. Is it going to be Barrel and Blade, or just the Barrel, or just the Blade? I think this time it's going to be both. Look, I'm just going to be real with y'all. I don't see how we ain't get both in this big a box. That's all I'm saying, all right? That's all I'm saying. All right, the top-down view is going to be sketchy as all get out because I can't get all this in my top-down camera. But there you go. Give it a little shake, shake. A little shake, shake, shake. Oh, bro, I'm not hopeful. This does not inspire confidence. My confidence is wavering. I think mistakes were made. Come on, Barrel and Blade, you're killing me. This does not look good, man. A box with a bunch of bags in it, man. This is not good. This is not good. All right, what is it? This bag is not a toy. Cool. Way to poo-poo on my parade right out the gate. Teflon fabric. Is this just a gun case? This is what it looks like. Oh, man. Oh, wait, I do see something in there I need. Dude, you will not believe that. That's like one of them trick shots I just did with that silica bag. Y'all can't see it though, so it don't matter. All right, so this is going to be a GPS tactical. Oh my God, bro. We've hit jackpot. This is a tactical pistol case. You just don't know, bro. We've been waiting our whole lives for this. We have been waiting our whole lives to get a tactical pistol case. Finally, Christmas has came. We got us a tactical pistol case. Have absolutely earthly no idea what makes this a tactical pistol case. I mean, it's got one compartment here. It's got a compartment here. We got a bunch of stretchy finger compartments there. That's it, bro. Suddenly, I'm not as excited about a tactical pistol case. Okay. Built with heavy-duty 1000D material, DuPont Teflon coating. Fits most medium frame pouches for 4 magazines. Heavy-duty lockable zippers. Hey, it's got some zipper pulls on it. That's something. It's got a handle, so that's cool. All right. It's tactical. Oh my God. You've got to be kidding me. You have got to be kidding. Oh, man. Man. My channel members are about to have a time. They're about to have a time, bro. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Okay, this is a 1080-2 mounting array. Compatible with Molly accessories. Ooh, what is this? Hold on, that's cool. Okay, so it's a bag. Check out all that laser cutting. Dude, you can put Molly any old kind of way on that right there. Okay, so it's a bag, you know, like a little range bag or something, or you know, whatever, you know. It's got a shoulder strap and stuff. That's kind of cool. I mean, is it cool though? Really? I mean, dude, it's a strap, bro. I don't think that qualifies as being cool. But I mean, it's a little bag. You know, not the end of the world. If I can figure out how the hell to get it open. I do like that it has a big, you know, the big flap with zippers on both sides. I do like that. Okay, so we got tree compartments. 1, 2, tree. There we go. And you can take the little dividers out. You can't move them around, you know, so it splits the compartment into thirds. So that's, you either have that or you don't, or you just got a big chasm bag. You can take one out and do like, you know, I don't know, you know, like 65, 35, I guess, if you want to, whatever. But there you go. Okay, then we got the big main compartment. Okay, we got a compartment over here. Okay, that's just got some little webbing in there. Okay. All right, other side over here. It's just a big compartment. That's all it's got. It's just a big compartment. Okay, so the selling point from this bag, apparently, like there's the bottom footprint. The selling point is this right here. All this laser cut molly. Okay, all right, you know, it's a bag. You are not gonna believe this, bro. All right, we got something from TruGlo. Sightline. Compact, rechargeable, handgun light. All right, there you go. There it is right there. And, of course, it's on a Glock. Compact, lightweight, designed for comfortable concealed carry. USB-C rapid charging. Auto off. Turns off after 5 minutes without button push to prevent unintentional battery drain. Okay. Adjustable slide mount fits Picatinny Weaver, Glock, and many other pistol rails. Adjustable recoil lug for versatile positioning. You don't say. Okay, it's got a bright white Cree LED. It's 100 lumens, IPX4, strobe mode, blah, 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 and it comes with a cable. There you go. Okay. All right, here's the thing. Barrel. Right? Barrel. Got it. Now, this is something that I needed because I left mine at the shop when I went last weekend. This is just a universal front rest bag. I needed a proper front bag. I've got them. I just don't have one here. So this is a 5-inch 2x2 filled bag. You know, there you go. Birchwood casing. I don't know. I mean, you look at the picture, you know what it's for. So there you go. I've got some of these. I just don't have a lot of them here. So this is something that, you know, I will definitely use. So yes. All right, here we go. And the last thing is from Outdoor Element. Fire tinder strips. Okay, so let's see. What we got here? 10 wax-infused cotton tinder strips. 3.75 by 0.90. Burns 4 to 5 minutes. Easy to light using ferro rod or a lighter. Blah, 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 blah. Here's their little picture they give you, and it has this crazy yellowing on it. And yeah, it's just these little strips. You can see that they're segregated in there. So it's probably like petroleum jelly infused or whatever. So yeah, you know, these things aren't bad. You know, not bad to have. But, guys, here's the friggin' finale. We got a barrel and blade with no blade. That is a first. That's a first. A barrel and blade with no blade. I never in a million years would have thought I would have opened a box that big from Barrel and Blade and there not been a blade in it. I was wrong. I made bets with my chat. I said there was going to be something for barrel and blade. I was wrong. I was wrong. This is the disappointing game that we play here on my channel. Feel free to cue in the womp womp womp. All right, ladies and gentlemen, man, I'm flabbergasted that there was no blade. Yeah, boo. This is, dude, what, bro, I don't even know what to say. Like I said, I never would have thought from Barrel and Blade that this is where we'd be. That we get a box from Barrel and Blade. Now, we have got hosed before on the barrel part, but we have always got a blade. Always. I think this is the first box I've ever received from Barrel and Blade that did not have a knife in it. I don't know what to say, bro. I'm at a loss. I'm going to go to bed tonight disappointed. Let me know in the comments section down below what you think. And, you know, I tell all of you guys that if you're struggling, you know, and you need some help in your life, you feel like you need guidance, direction, comfort, strength, turn to the Lord. Let Him in your life. He can change your life. I'm going to pray tonight because I need the Lord. Because I'm shocked about this box. Disappointed. Very disappointed. I don't know what to say, guys. God bless all of you. Thank you for watching this video. If you made it this far, please give me a thumbs up for my disappointment. I'd really greatly appreciate you on that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hey, it can only go up from here because I think with Barrel and Blade, this is almost rock bottom. All right, guys. That's all I got. Thank you for hanging out with me. I really greatly appreciate it. I love all of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.